Hello, everyone. My name is Hayley Yeager, and I'm here to talk about the incredible issue of plastic pollution in the ocean. So a lot of people they go to the beaches and they want to see these beautiful waters and these beautiful white sands, but in today's day and age, that is not the case anymore. We have produced so much plastic to where it's just end up all over our beaches. And so for my example here is we use we go to the boardwalk and we get food, and what are we given? We're given plastic silverware, plastic cups, plastic plates, and when we throw it away, where do we think it goes? We expect it to go to like a landfill, but with the reduction in waste management, that is not the case anymore. A lot of it can be blown off into the ocean and onto our sands, and then where does it go? It washes up on another beach, or it goes into the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, which a lot of people I don't believe know is actually a thing. It is huge. It stems off the west coast of America, like right off the coast of California, and it stems all the way to another patch in Japan, all across the ocean, and it's just filled with plastic, and plastic isn't biodegradable, so it just sits there and it just breaks down to smaller and smaller pieces. It will never go away. And what do you think happens to that? It gets ingested by sea turtles or migratory birds. They'll fly over and they might think it's food for their young, and they'll pick it up and they'll feed it to their chicks. And so like a lot of chicks, end up eating that plastic. Somebody did a research off the Cocoa Islands in Australia, and they found the most plastic that they have ever found was 276 small pieces of plastic in a baby chick's stomach. 90-day-old chick. 276 pieces. That is incredible. That was 15% of their body mass. That's like us eating 12 whole pizzas is how much it weighed in their stomach. So what I believe that needs to happen is that we need to stop using single-use plastic. We need to, in my picture, we need to think green. We need to use these paper bags. We need to use these glass straws or metal straws or just metal silverware. Bring your own silverware. We need to stop using the single-use plastic because it is not going where we believe it's going. It is ending up in the ocean, in our rivers, in all of these ecosystems that do not deserve to be covered in plastic. We want our oceans beautiful again.